Good morning, dear children. In vocabulary part, today we are going to learn about the talking words. Come on, page number 7. In communication, we use some words according to the context or the situation. We exchange our informations, idea, opinions, thoughts with each other. That time we use chat, discuss, argue, debate, conversations, or converse or gossip. Such words that describe some types of informations, thoughts, and ideas. Here, in talking words, we are going to learn about some talking words and their meanings and noun forms. Means one talking word can be a verb or can be noun. Here in the green color table, there are three columns. In first column, talking words are given, their meaning in second column, and in third column, the noun form of the same word. Okay. Here talking words are chat, converse, debate, argue, converse, discuss, gossip. Such talking words are given. Let's understand the meaning and the use of the such words as a verb and noun in a sentence. Okay. Here, for the first word is chat. What is the meaning of chat? Chat means talk in a friendly and informal way. And here sentence is we chat with friends after school. In this sentence, chat is a verb. And in the third column, the sentence I had a long chat with Meena yesterday. Here in this sentence, chat is a noun. The next talking word is converse. The meaning of this word is talk informally. The use of this word in a sentence, Rinku converses with the driver of his school bus on the way to school. Here, the converses is a verb in the sentence and the conversation is the noun form of the word converse. What was the topic of your conversation with Mangal? The noun form of converse is conversation is here in this sentence work as a noun. Turn the page. The third talking word is discuss. The meaning of this word is talk with somebody to make a decision or conclusion. Shall we discuss the answer to the maths problem? Here, discuss, this word is work as a verb here. And the noun form of the discourse word is discussion. My discussion with the teacher was very useful. Here, discussion is noun. The fourth talking word is argue. The meaning of this word is speak angrily with someone because you disagree with them. The use of this verb in sentence, let's not argue about little things. And the noun form of the word argue is argument. TV shows are full of arguments here. So arguments is a noun. The fifth word is debate. The class is debating about the picnic. Debate, what is the meaning of debate? Discuss formally to decide something or to solve a problem is known as a debate. Here debate word is verb and the noun form of debate is debate. There is no change in the word. After a long debate, they decided to cancel the picnic. Here, the debate is noun in this sentence. Gossip. Gossip means what? Talk informally about other people. The use of this word as a verb in a sentence. The teacher caught the girls who were gossiping in the class. And the noun form of this word is gossip. Don't believe all the gossip you hear. Here, gossip is a noun. Let's solve the question. B2. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable talking words from the table above. Write in the boxes whether the talking word you choose is a verb or a noun. Here, the first sentence is, which came first, chicken or egg? The dash continues, argument continues. Here, what is this? Argument is a noun or verb? Argument is a noun. And remember one thing, before noun, a and the such articles come. So it is very easy to recognize. Okay. So the is there before argument, the argument. It means it is a noun. Some of our classmates say that our class teacher is going to another school. We are sure that it is mere gossip. Here in this sentence, gossip is a noun. Solve these questions yourselves. Don't dash with others, the teacher said when she gave the homework. Here, discuss word will come. And thus, discuss is a verb. This story is presented as a conversation between two characters, and conversation is a noun. A article is here before the word conversation, so it is a noun. The topic of the debate is whether children should use mobile phone or not. Debate is a noun because the article is there, so it is easy to recognize whether it is a noun or a verb. This software helps us chat with friends online. Chat is a verb. So in this way, today we learn about the talking words and the uses of these talking words and how they come in a sentence as a verb and a noun. Write down these answers in your English notebook.